In this video, we'll cover some major updates and frequently asked questions. Let us move on to the first point, that is the circular, which was released by the Council on 4th of January. If you have not read the circular, it states that you should get vaccinated. I'm talking about 15 to 18 years of age. You should be eligible to get a vaccination, and please vaccinate yourself as soon as possible. It's compulsory for you to get vaccinated before second semester examination. And I want to know how many of you are vaccinated. You can comment in the comment section. Second is that Omicron cases are increasing day by day. Schools have been shut down in different parts of the country. And the thing is that offline classes have again shifted to online. The major question, will exams be conducted? Please do not watch any misleading video because there are some videos on YouTube that states that second semester board examination will be cancelled. Please avoid watching those videos. The info that I've received about second semester board examination is if you all are vaccinated and before the second semester board examination, then they'll conduct it in offline mode. But if there is some rise in cases and vaccinations are not helpful, they are not effective, then they will conduct it in online mode, as it was stated in the circular earlier. My students have been asking me about the best book for second semester board examination. And for this, Oswald Books is the best choice. It is available in both ICSE and ISC board. This book is extraordinary with some key features like they have presented mind maps which help you to learn a lot of concepts and formulas, be it reactions or conversions. You will get a lot of things in this book like revision notes, mind maps, mnemonics, self-assessment test. Trust me, this is an all-in-one book. As you can see, they have provided all these formulas, the chapter-wise formulas, and mind maps are also there. Let me take you to 10th class English language book where they have provided all the formats of notice writing, email writing, how to write an essay. And you can see here, I've attached all the links of Oswald Books in the description box. You can buy it from there or from nearby store. In case your exams will be conducted in online mode, then first semester results will have weightage of 70% marks and second semester will have weightage of 30% marks. It may be 60-40 also. And talking about if second semester board examinations are cancelled, it will not happen, but we are taking all the probable questions and all assumptions. So in this case, your percentage will be calculated on the basis of your first semester board examination result. They will be converting all your scores to 70, 80 and so on, and then adding up the result, adding up the project marks. This may vary for 10th and 12th. I am making this for ISC 12th board, like 70 marks in first semester and then adding up your project work marks, your practical marks, and then after calculating this, okay, 100 out of 100 in this subject. For example, 65 plus 30, so 95 out of 100. This is how your percentage, your marks will be calculated in case second semester board examinations are cancelled. But I'm sure that you will have your exams, maybe offline or online. Offline chances are more because you all will get vaccinated. We are again switching to this online mode. Now the thing is, you have been attending all these online classes in the last year, and you very well know how much productive you are after attending these online classes. If you think that it is wasting your time and you're not able to grasp a knowledge, you're not able to learn from it, then you can switch to self-study mode. What you can do is, for example, you are attending this mathematics class and you're not able to understand anything what your sir is teaching. So at that time, you can either mute or maybe for attendance, then you can again check the class, but you can mute yourself and attend it side by side, but you should self-study at that time. Like you can take out your maths book and you can yourself read that particular chapter which your sir is teaching. That is what many students have done, and you can then cover that chapter, do the exercises, what your sir is teaching. So that is how you have to manage yourself, because I think online classes is not an option, not a good option, and it can never be replaced by offline classes. So it's better to motivate yourself towards studies and try to cover the syllabus. And if I talk about second semester board examination, then they'll be starting from April. So you have around 2.5 months. You can prepare well. First semester results will be out by second, third week of January. You'll only get scores, and they'll not tell you if you have passed or failed. They'll not release a merit list. So we have covered all these major updates. Kindly study and stop watching all those misleading videos which are telling you that exams will be cancelled. After all, your knowledge matters a lot, your education matters. Please study whatever is there in the syllabus, and even if you are going out of syllabus, then it is okay, that's fine. Because yesterday I was like reading the syllabus of history, and I got to know that World War One and World War Two, some main topics have been cancelled from the syllabus. That will help you in your future ahead, but they have cancelled it right now. It is again a disadvantage for you. What you can do is you can complete your own syllabus, the bifurcated syllabus, and if you feel like studying more, then you can also study the part that is deducted, because those topics will help you in future. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and keep studying, keep yourself motivated and hydrated. Have a good day.